you know why you're here. It's all about what's inside this thing. And I don't know what it is about unboxing videos, but it's just so satisfying to watch. I'm addicted. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm addicted to unboxing videos on YouTube. I watch them all the time. It's kind of an obsession of mine, so it's kind of fun to do the other one, and I like to share this stuff with you guys out there too, the new stuff that comes in. So what I have here in this guy is some of the new stuff, and I don't know exactly what, I've got a pretty good idea what it is, from PTS. So if you don't know who they are, make some really interesting airsoft accessories, known for their stocks, their grips, all kinds of other little add-ons, the light mounts, all kinds of neat stuff, and of course the licensed rails they have. So with all that in mind, I got this little package, a little care package this week to kind of see some new stuff updated. I know they've been doing some updates on their older stuff, so we're gonna take a look in here and I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna get this thing open and see what's going on. Cut right to the chase. Literally, oh, that was such a bad joke too, I'm sorry. Such a bad dad joke, they call them, I guess. Bad puns. All right, let me put that away. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Oh, bubble wrap. More bubble wrap and boxes. All right, ooh, we got 3 in here. Let's see, let's start with this one. We'll go big. We'll go big first, and I'll get the other one too. I'm gonna set this aside for a second. So this is, all right, so you've probably seen this. I actually got a review. I'm trying to hold it so the light's not reflecting all over it. I got a review of this one. It is the PTS Enhanced Polymer Stock, but this one is, yes, they just dropped it in a new color. So, ooh, hey, it is in flat dark earth. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this, I've got a full review of it. It is, and I'm gonna say arguably, not arguably, it is my favorite stock right now in Airsoft. I will replace, I have 2 of the black versions and now I have a tan. So I mean, this is nice to add this to my list because I've got a couple guns that tan look better on, but I've been using my black on those for a while. What's neat about these, they just fit all kinds of batteries in here, and that's what makes it really neat. You pop the back off, the side tubes, it doesn't look it, but these side tubes are actually really big, and they're sealed here so you don't lose little things. There's just so many little details, right, about the EPS that I love so much, and I'm really glad they finally came out with it in a tan, and this looks like, let me kind of get it back here in the light so I can see it better, really good flat dark earth. So if you guys are familiar with like the Magpul color flat dark earth, that's definitely going to be what you're looking at here. So that's first up. Let me set that aside, and then I'm going to dig in here with the other 2 and get rid of this box. There we go. So the other balance are these guys, and that is the EPF2S. Now, I get why PTS does this, and I've got to just kind of give a little, like their acronyms like EPS, Enhanced Polymer Stock, EPF, Enhanced Polymer Foregrip, now it's 2, and S is for short, so it makes sense, but it's kind of getting long. EPF2S, it's not really easy for me to say. So we got 2 of them here. They always put the stickers here on the bottom. Let's see what we got. We got it in dark earth and black, so we got both of them, and let's check it out. Well, you guys already saw dark earth, so I'll set that aside. I'll get that one out in a second. Let's check out the black one first. Oh, so I drop it everywhere. So here it is. It is my favorite little stubby saw. I like stubby foregrips. I have like 5 or 6 different brands and different kinds of them. So this is their new one. I'm gonna try to get close and get that zoom working for you. There we go. So that'll give you an idea. The texture here, the grid on it. You got the screwdriver here, or the screw on that. It is flathead, so you don't need any crazy Allen keys like that. Textured on this side, textured on that side, and actually it's really good texture. It's got a nice little grip to it. And then this part pops all the way off, which I like. Hang on, let me get close again real quick again. This side, when you unscrew it, comes all the way off, so you can clamp it around your rail and not have to slide it down your rail. I do like that. You gotta be careful though, they didn't change this on the other one. I don't know if it's glued in or not, but it doesn't look like it. The screw that's on this side doesn't look like it's screwed in. So they did an upgrade. Oh, also the bottom, it does come off. You kind of lift this little door and you pull it aside and it gives you a little place to hide Skittles or whatever the heck you want on it. Very similar to the old one. In fact, hang on, I'm gonna hold on real quick because I think I've got my old one around here somewhere. Let me look. I was just actually taking my guns apart and had this. So here's the old one. This is the version 1. I'm gonna see if I can get both of these super close for you guys and try to get it Here we go. Here we are. They'll give you an idea. Old one here, new one here. Give you an idea on the texture and the grip, the size. The new one's actually shorter. Look. Hey. Wait, hang on. No, it's shorter up top. So it's not any short. I thought it was just shorter grip. It's actually shorter up top here. So it goes up less far. So you can see how these wings flare out and those are flat. That is a big difference. I bet you that was to deal with some of the more modern rail systems. Still the same way, still have the screws, still have the nuts, still have the door. Looks like it is the same on the bottom. It looks almost identical. So yeah, that's the difference of the Gen 1 and Gen 2. It looks pretty minor, but I think for fitment issues, they made some changes here, it looks like, which I like, because I know if they flare up a lot, it could be trouble with some rails. If you have really low profile rails, something like that. Like I said, it looks like the texture got a touch more aggressive on the new one here on the front. And then, of course, on the side, they went with... from this one, I showed you the texture here to this. It's a smaller grid pattern as well, and then they've kind of outlined it just for some detailing. But that's it. That's a difference on that one. And I'll show you the tan real quick before we get on out of here. Finish this guy up, show you the difference of it. And grab the right one. There you go. So that's same colors before. Let me get this back in focus for you. And that way you can see the tan and the black version of the same one. I'm excited because I've got a tan gun I've kind of had tucked away for a long time. It's got some really cool rails on it. It's my own personal gun. I never get to run it. And I need to update the tan furniture. It's been a couple years, honestly. So with the stock, let me grab it right here. With the stock and this grip, this guy's going to get upgraded. And this one's getting swapped out. This might end up on my Evo. I think it might go on my Evo. I think, or I don't know. Might go on my main, I don't know, might go on my 416, we'll see. But yeah, so anyway, a little quick update, little PTS unboxing to share with you guys and gals out there. And let me know if you guys like this stuff. Do you like accessories? Do you change out stuff on your guns when you get them, or do you leave them bone stock and just throw some lights and lasers and stuff like that on it? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about it. Also, if it's your first time here or you've been here a while and you just keep watching these videos when they pop up in your feed, I'd love to have you as part of the Airsoftology family. So just hit that subscribe button down below. And if you haven't done it, if you already subscribed, go down there, there's a little bell for notifications. Hit that, it'll let you know when a new video comes up. I do post 3 a week, sometimes even 4 or 5. Don't worry, I don't do them like crazy late at night, so I'm not gonna wake you up or anything like that with them going off. But that way you'll be in the know when something new comes out from the channel. But that's it, and I'll see you next time. Until then, go out, play some Airsoft, have some fun, but no matter what you do, call your freaking hits.